wax ram for 1979 or 1980, model EA203, 3-speed. High. Medium. And here we have low. And here we are to see the spin down time. Frigid manufactured these during the last years until they went bankrupt in 1985. This was their early version of the Eagle Air series, as the later ones had a white frame and the blades were black instead of translucent as this one is. They also sold under the Eagle Air brand many other different box fans, including metal bladed ones like the ones sold in the 1960s, just like they did under different brands such as Corvettes, even Vornado. But this in particular was sold exclusively as Eagle Air. Rated for 2.3 amps. And you might notice the blade looks exactly like a second gen Lakewood blade. I'm not sure how they got away with it. And unlike the second gen version where the only one slot is visible, all the slots are open, making it easier to oil it. I used to have another one when I was a teenager, which was in far worse shape than this one had. And unlike the one that I used to have, which had a Macmillan motor, this one has a Marco motor. Even though this is one of those second gen clones, they did enough just so that Lakewood wouldn't sue their asses for copying the blade set. But it's a pretty decent fan. It's a pretty good fan actually. Blows a lot of air for its size. And as with all Frigid products, manufactured in Brooklyn, New York. Which you might find it interesting. The location is now a storage center. It's somewhere in Canarsie. But anyway, that's this fan. Like I said, it runs great. And as always, thank you for watching.